I want to talk something for today. Like, why should you visit the doctor instead of Googling? So, this usually we commonly see nowadays that patient, if they have some certain symptoms, first thing they want to do is Google and then find some answers and then treat themselves or start worrying without knowing what to do next. So, I always advise, if you have any problem, it's always better to visit the doctor instead of googling. Because for example, if you have some headache and if you google, definitely google will tell headache, yeah, stress will be the first factor, and then it can be a sinusitis where that time also you can get a headache, or it can be a simple migraine. But the last answer by google will be a cancer also, where people get tensed so much and they think so much about cancer. And even cancer also can cause headache. But if the people think that the cancer is the first thing, definitely they'll go into depression, and they all by the time they reach the doctor, their bp would have been high, or so many other things also can happen. Or sometimes the important diagnosis can get missed by only googling and not visiting the doctor. So I always advise the patients, better to visit the doctor whenever you have the problem rather than googling. Thank you.